Hello folks, just a quickie. Just fitted an Autoterm diesel heater to this medium wheelbase VW Crafter, same as the MAN TGE. So they're not the one that's based on the Mercedes Sprinter. This one's on the MAN TGE, and you can mount a 2 kilowatt heater down there under the driver's seat. Now you need the turret mount to do it because there's a little dip in the floor where the pipes come out, but you can see the exhaust is there. I kind of here see following the exhaust back underneath. You can see up here, if I get a bit of light on it, that is the underside of the heater. And the pump is there. Now on these vans, fuel tank just over there, you can buy an actual takeoff kit, so you don't have to get all diesely. You do have to drop the tank to get to it. You do have to drop the tank to get to the sender unit, but you don't have to take the sender unit out and put a standpipe in. There's just a little pipe that you nip the top off, and then you clip a pipe onto the top of it. I don't know if I can show you the part number. Where is it? Yeah, here we go. It's an Eberspacher 29.2180.01.422. Excuse the mess. I do tidy up at the end of each day, but I somehow get very messy again. So there it is, and it's just trying to pick up now. There's obviously quite a distance for it to pick up, so these usually take about 2 or 3 attempts to get the diesel fuel through, and then it fires up and be lovely and warm.